Okay, Jazzy, here we go with decimals. This fraction here, this decimal, means 1/10. This one means 1/100th. This one means
1,000.
That's right. Because what we're dealing with is not a fraction but a placeholder. That is the 10th place. This is the 100th place. That's right. And this one is the
1,000.
1000th place. That's right. So going to the next screen now.
But what about the ones?
Here's what it means. If you have 0.1, that equals 1/10. If you have 0.2, that equals
2/10.
That's right.
What about 1/8?
0.3, don't worry about that yet, equals
3/10.
Moving forward. 0.01 equals
100.
0.02 equals
200.
0.12 equals
1,200.
You totally got it. Okay. What you're wondering is exact fractions that equal a certain decimal.
Yeah, like 1/8.
Let's start with 1/4. 1/4 equals. Can you put it into tenths? Maybe we'll start with something easier. Something that you can. What if I do 1/2? How many does that equal in a decimal?
I don't know.
How many tenths would it be?
0.
No. 1/2 equals how many tenths?
1.
1/2 can't equal 1/10, can it? If you cut a pie into half and you cut it into 10, that is in no way going to be this equals that, right? 1/2 cannot equal 1/10. Remember how we found equivalent fractions?
It equals 2/10.
No, it does not. 2 times what equals 10?
5.
1 times 5 equals
1 times 5 equals 5. So it's 5/10.
5/10, that's right. So if 1/2, wow, my stylus is just kind of quitting on me. 1/2 equals 5/10. How would you write 1/2 as a fraction?
1/2 as a fraction is 1/10. 5. 0.
How many tenths?
5.
There you go, 0.5, because it is 5/10, and that is the 10th place. So if it's the 10th place, it equals 5/10, right? Okay, let's do another one. What about if you do 2/10?
2/10 as a decimal is 0.2.
That's right. We're going to do maybe like 3 more before you try it on your own. What about 25 100ths?
25 100ths is 0.25.
Zach, you want to do a couple?
And then I get 2.
What if I make it harder?
4. 0.4.
No, it's not 0.4. 0.4.
It's 0.8.
0.4 equals what?
I don't know.
How many tenths?
4 tenths.
Does 4 tenths equal 1/4? No, so that's not going to be it. This is not right.
Is it 0.8?
Can you turn 1/4 into tenths?
Yeah.
How does 1/4 go into tenths?
It goes into tenths as 0.8.
No, it definitely does not. Can you divide 10 by 4?
Yeah.
What is 10 divided by 4?
40.
No, 10 divided by 4 is not 40. You can't cut 10 into 4 pieces. Yeah.
I thought you said like 10 times 4.
Okay, can you turn 1/4 into tenths?
1/4 into 10. Shouldn't the denominator stay the same though?
It's not mattering.
On the top.
4 times what equals 10?
It can't.
It can't. So let's try hundredths instead. 4 times what equals 100?
Why do you wink?
4 times what equals 100?
4 times.
100 is the same as a dollar. So what coin do you use 4 of to make a dollar?
A quarter.
A quarter. How many cents is a quarter?
4 times 25. So 25 100.
There you go. 25 100.
So it's 0.25.
You know what? My stylus is not writing. 2500. That's right. 0.25. That's right. Zach, would you like to try an example?
Why is the record button in the game? Okay, so fractions are all kind of just decimals, decimals are all just fractions, really. So like 1.125 is the same as 125 over 1,000. But most of them can be simplified, so this would end up being 1/8. So,
Trying to do? Okay, that's fine. Jasmine, would you like to try one?
yeah.
Okay, which one would you like to write?
I'm gonna pick a different color first. This. Okay, I'm gonna do I'm gonna do 2/4 equals actually no. I'm gonna do something else that's easier. I'm gonna do 2/10 as a decimal is equal to 0.2. And then I'm going to do one more.
Okay.
30 hundred as a the fraction 30 100ths as a decimal is 30.
That's right. Alright, you got it? You ready to end the video?
Almost. One more thing. And then I need to write. Wait, let me pick a new color. This. Oops. Correct. Exclamation.
Okay, all good?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, hit end.